Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming up. Today we'll be heading into Publix to get some really great deals. I was very excited about some things that we got today, including some money makers and just some things that we needed as a family. Alright guys, make sure you check out that Instagram and also that Facebook page at Praising and Saving. Now let's get started. So the very first deal that we're picking up at Publix is going to be a Publix digital deal, so no paper coupons needed on this. These I think are new, so these are the Chex Mix Bars. They have the birthday cake, cookies and cream, peanut butter, chocolate, all kinds of different bars. So these are usually $3.89. They're buy one, get one free this week, so one of them is going to be $1.95. However, you need to buy two for the coupon, so you're going to buy two of them at $1.95 each, making them $3.90. There is a $1 Publix digital coupon on the app, making these $2.90. So a pretty great deal on these. I think I'm going to pick these up today because my daughter does like Chex Mix. So yeah, $2.90 on both of those bars, making it $1.45 each. So the next deal is on these Blue Diamond almonds. I'm always getting coupons for Blue Diamond almonds, and I really never pick it up. But I thought this was a really great deal because you have the buy one, get one free, and also the coupon. So we're double dipping there. So the Blue Diamond almonds are $2.15 each. But we're going to buy two of them because the coupon is a buy two, get $1 off. So buy two of them at $2.15, making the total $4.30. And then we have this $1 off coupon, and it doesn't expire for quite some time, so it'll bring it down to $3.30, which is going to make these almonds just $1.65 each. So pretty great deal on almonds. Alright, I love whenever the Screamin' Cecilia pizza comes out on sale because these are usually $9.69 for one pizza. That's way too much. I'm not going to spend that. So they are on sale, buy one, get one free this week. So what we're going to do is pick up one of them at $4.85. Some of them are $5, but the one I got was $4.85. We have this $1 off coupon that we printed with the Screamin' Cecilia website. I think you sign up. I will post the coupon link to sign up in my printable breakdown. So the printable breakdown is in the description box. Just click on that, and then if you look at the printable breakdown, there's a green highlighted section that says coupons, and you'll be able to click on that, find that Screamin' Cecilia pizza link, and print these off for $1. And I believe you can print off two every time you receive the email. Alright, got a great no coupons needed deal on this. This is an IBOTTA rebate deal, guys. If you are not signed up for any of my rebate apps like IBOTTA, ShopKicks, Swagbucks, Zardy, Fetch, if you're not signed up for any of those, please look in the description box for my referral code. You get a kickback and I get a kickback as well. So here's a deal on the bacon. This Oscar Mayer bacon, which is something we don't really get coupons on, so I was excited about this deal, is going to be 2 for $12, or if you buy one, it's $6. There is a $1 IBOTTA rebate, and then there's also a 10-cent pork rebate, like any rebate, so $1.10 on this bacon, making it $4.90. Now, we'll give you a heads up. When I got home and I scanned my receipt, the 10 cents came off, but the $1 for the bacon didn't come off. So make sure that you scan your items when you get home. Check your IBOTTA before you submit it. But yes, this bacon is going to be $4.90. Alright, so this is the Challenge butter. I really like this butter. I tried it probably like a year ago because of couponing, and I haven't gone back. So these are usually $6.19, so it's a high price butter. We have these for buy one, get one free. So you're going to pick up one of them at $3.10. I'm sorry that picture's so dark. It's just the way the lighting was with the shelf. And then we have this 50-cent coupon from the Challenge Butter website. And I will have the link to that coupon in the printable breakdown. So just check that out. There's a 50-cent coupon that will come off, making these just $2.60. So really great deal, down from $6.20. The butter will be just $2.60 each. So this Chobani creamer is a moneymaker for me today, and it would have been even better if something else worked out, but it didn't. But anyways, so I was really excited about this because I'm always getting this Chobani creamer either for $1 free or a moneymaker, and I bring it into work because we all drink the Chobani creamer, and I was running down the hallway saying, I got a moneymaker on the creamer, you know, and I'm very excited about it. But anyways, okay, so this Chobani creamer is buy one get one free. They're $4.49, but with a buy one get one free, they're going to be $2.24. Now I have these $2 Blinky coupons that I got. They were actually just right there on the door at Publix, on the cooler door, but some of you guys might have the dollar coupon that came in the paper, but I'm going to do the math for the $2 coupon. So we're going to pick up 2 of these at $2.24 each, using so that total is going to be $4.48. We're going to be using 2 of these $2 coupons, which is going to give us $4 in coupons, making this just 48 cents each. Then IBOTTA has a rebate where if you buy 2, you get $1 back. And then Checkout 51 may still have some $1 back for you, but mine did not anymore. It's going to make mine a 52-cent rebate on this. 52-cent moneymaker on this. If you have that Checkout 51, it will be $1.52 moneymaker. So really excited about some moneymaker creamer, something that I use every single day. Alright, so this Gordo's cheese dip, I've gotten this several times from my family, and they love it whenever we have taco night and I bring out this cheese dip, just like we're at the Mexican restaurant. So you're going to pick up 1 of these at $2.64. They're usually $5.29 with the buy one get one free, so they're $2.64. There is a $1 off coupon on the Gordo's website, and you can print this coupon off twice. It's going to bring our total down to $1.64. Now, I do have the coupon for the Gordo's website linked in my promo breakdown. So make sure you check that out. So, yep, just $1.64 for this cheese dip. So the Rana pasta and the Rana sauce are usually $4.89, but they're on sale this week, 2 for $8, making each one $4. And then we have this $1 off coupon, making each bag or sauce $3. Now, guys, remember this is in the butter cheese section in your store, in the cooler section, and these are great for the quick meals on the weekends, or if one of your kids doesn't like what you cooked, you can just cook this up really quick for them. So yeah, they're 2 for $8, $4, using this $1 off coupon. Makes it $3. There's a coupon for the pasta, and there's a coupon for the sauce. So I picked up a couple of these for a quick meal. Alright, this is my deal of the day. You guys know I always have a deal of the day. Please comment below your deal of the day. This deal is even better at Publix than it was at Walmart the other day. So this Arm & Hammer baby detergent, they're usually $7. And I think at Walmart they were like $8. So they're usually $7. They're on sale, buy one get one free this week, making them $3.50. Now, my brother is going to be getting these because he just had a baby, and this is such a great deal. So picking up 1 of these at $3.50. IBOTTA has a rebate for $1.25. That can be done up to 5 times, making the total of this detergent just $2.25. So even if you don't have a baby, maybe you have someone in your family that is allergic to smells or different dyes, this is perfect for them. So usually $7, going to be $3.50 with the buy one get one free. IBOTTA's bringing it down with the $1.25 rebate, making each one of these just $2.25 each. So our last deal is going to be on the Scotch Brite sponges. These are going to be on the Scrub Dots. They are $3.69, so picking up 1 of them. Then we have this $1 off when you buy one of the Scotch Bright scrub dots, buy one of those, so it's going to make our total $2.69. Then we're going to submit to Shopkicks, and it's equivalent to $2.46 in Shopkicks. I think it's about 615 Shopkicks, so that's $2.46 in Shopkicks, making the total for these sponges just 23 cents each. So not bad on the sponges.